Hey everyone, Marty here from 506 Side-by-Side and ATV. We just received this from VEVOR. It's a 1,500 pound loading ramp package. So today I think we're going to do a what's in the box and a little bit of a review. So let's open this up and see what we have. We got the instructions. Nice little pair of gloves if you've got your gloves. That might be handy, you never know. Got the ramp here. Let's take one out of the package. Both out of the package. Put that box back there. Package up kind of nice. Of course, we got straps for loading. That's actually very important. Here's one of the ramps. Got nice little tips, covers. And we'll undo this one here. And we've got the same thing. Another strap. We got the little tips. Like nice decent little ramps. We got, looks like, so there's 3 ribs. That looks like it's pretty sturdy. Individual bars, no fall through, mud fall through. What I'm interested in are these hinges. What do they got for hinges? So we've got some nice welding, nice solid aluminum, and looks like to be about 1/2 inch bolts. They look pretty sturdy actually. Lay that out there. You come up there like that. They look like. Of course, we got the other one there. So, 3 ribs, as you can see. We got the 3 ribs. Should give it some straight. They got the plate for the ground, tips for holding on the tailgate. There we go, something like that. There's the top part, how that goes. We got the instruction manual. Of course, I want you to use the straps, and by the way, straps are really important. So I've been myself go up the ramps, don't put straps on, haven't had a problem, but I know some people didn't put the straps, wish they did. So advice, always put your straps on when you're putting the ramp up. So pretty simple, they fold up nice. They just slide in under your hook, like so. Pretty compact. There's the side with the hinge, side with the tips. Of course, your straps that you would use for each one. And again, you got your gloves. If you forgot them, yeah, nice little add-on. Throw them in your glove compartment. You'd always have them if you need them. I guess the next step is to take these out, hook them up, and we're going to give them a try with a Can-Am Renegade. So we'll see you in a little bit. Hey everyone, well, as you can see, we're outside here, kind of bundled up. It's a little bit cold. It's like minus 11 or 12. I think it's like a minus 14 or 15 Celsius, that is, wind chill. So we're going to put these ramps up. We'll show you how that's done, and then we'll give the bike a try. Alright, so we're going to get these hooked up. Nice little ring tip. So first go up to the tailgate. Dig that bottom into the snow. There's a fair bit of ice right here. Straps on. So according to the instructions, straps go on the inside rail. Like go through the loop. And then they'll just pull tight. And then they go through the binder. Snug them up, make sure they're tight. Ramp won't slide. No ways they're going anywhere. Well, as you've seen, they're pretty tough ramps. I'd like to thank VEVOR Canada and for allowing 506 side-by-side to review these ramps. I give them a thumbs up. There'll be a code to VEVOR Canada from 506 side-by-side if you're interested in buying them. They're a little over $200 on VEVOR Canada website, so I recommend them. They're a nice little budget set of ramps. I can't see anything wrong with them, so thumbs up for me, and check out the code, and hopefully they'll help you too. Bye now. So folks, here just to see how tough these things really are, we're going to drive the side-by-side up them a little bit. Do not do this at home. The side-by-side is probably 500 pounds overweight for these ramps, but we just want to see how tough they really are. So let's give her a try. Not quite the whole way to the side-by-side, but side-by-side with all its gear and anything is sitting there right around 2,000 pounds right now. So that's a pretty good load on those 1,500 pound ramps. So I think they work pretty good.